Hey guys, this is Joe here in South Missouri, and today we're going to be talking about chain tension on our new C-Series machine. So right here we have our built-in toolbox on the machine, and inside of there is our chain tensioning tool. So we're going to go around to the other side and show you guys how to take the chains off or flip them around if you want a more aggressive feeding. So now that we're on the other side of the machine, you can see we have our tool hooked up here on the bottom of our row unit. It's kind of held in place with our two locks right here. All you have to do is line them up and then just twist them and then lock them into place right here. Once you have this held in place, you'll take this tool right here, flip it around, and it'll line up right inside of that slot. And then this works just like a ratchet strap. Push it forward until it locks into place, and that takes the tension off of your chain to be able to flip them around, service them, take them off at the end of the season to put them in an oil bath. To take the chain tension off, all you have to do, push this in, relieve that square slot right here, pulling it forward, let the handle down, and then that will take the chain tension off of your gathering chains. So we'll do it just like so. It's removed, taking it off, chain tension is off. To disconnect this, pull these down, rotate it, pull it down, rotate it, and then wiggle your tool off. Once you're done taking your chains off and servicing them, make sure to put your tool back inside of here, plop this down, latch it into place, and then you always have it here. Thanks guys, have a great day.